I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking one quick precaution: backup recovery codes now. Once done, open the Authenticator app and sign in to the exact account tied to Autofill sync. This ensures changes apply to the right profile. Make sure the app is updated. Outdated builds may hide settings. Now locate the main menu or settings icon, tap it to reveal sync and autofill controls, because you're about to disable syncing safely without losing critical account access. You'll navigate into settings and then the sync or account section. This is where the autofill toggle lives. Once there, turn off autofill or credential sync toggles. Do it for both passwords and one-time codes if listed. When prompted, choose whether to keep data on this device or remove it from the cloud. Make your choice based on your backup. After disabling, force close the app and reopen it to ensure the settings persist. This step prevents background services from re-enabling sync automatically. You'll finish by verifying the change. Open a browser and attempt to sign in where autofill used to populate fields. Make sure nothing is filled automatically. If autofill still appears, revoke linked browser or account sync from the web account settings, then recheck. If issues persist, clear the app cache or reinstall the Authenticator app. That usually resolves stuck settings. One troubleshooting tip: if you removed cloud data, restore from your backup to recover any lost credentials. Do this before refreshing accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.